Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted on Facebook that they have to cut out precise holes, and I don't know what it looks like, so I just made some. Because if you cut, if you cut the outside first, it could drop. If your laser bed wasn't 100% flat, it could drop, and then the holes might not be precise. So you do need to cut the holes first. Well, they mentioned color mapping and color map, so they want to do color mapping so they could slow down the laser on the holes. I've never found that to be true. I found it would cut holes equally as good at the same speed. So, but if you wanted to do that, and I apologize, I don't have a laser printer driver on this, but in this scenario, we could select all the holes, hold down the shift key, select all these holes, and if you notice I got 51 down there. Now I got 102, and now I've got 153. And then just go to the laser and pick selected and print those at whatever speed, whatever power you want. Then you could actually delete all those holes and then just run this without selecting them and just run this at whatever speed and your power, and that would be your second run. It would work exactly the same as color mapping, except for with a lot less trouble. So let's put those back. Let's say my scenario won't work because the holes are not, you can't gather them like I just did in 3 easy movements. Well, I made them purposely black, and they are a hairline, and they are a hairline on the outline. But if we go to Edit, Find and Replace, no, I hit Step and Repeat. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, Edit Query, and we don't want to fill. I was using that earlier. We want an outline, and we want outline properties, and click that, and click right here to color. And this is CMYK, and that won't really matter because we're going to take the eyedropper tool and hit that RGB, and now hit OK, and then find all. And what it did, it found those same 153 objects. So now you could print selected and run those if you could run them first, and that would make them not fall out. And you could run them in a little bit, I've never found that running them slower on a circle or an ellipse or a little square matters than a big square. But then you could actually delete all those holes and then just select that. Or if you don't want to delete them, you could go back to Edit, Find and Replace. I did it again. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, Edit Query. We've got the already picked, so we're going to click on that. This time go to color, and we're going to, I know it's a RGB red, but we're just going to double check, hit OK, and then find all. And if you look, there's 51 objects because there's 51 bars. And then just to prove it, you could delete them. So that's what I would do in lieu of color mapping. I do color mapping sometimes, but I have found it really doesn't save you any trouble, any speed, because it's still going to have to go back and cut. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.